Alright, in this proof we are given that we have a parallelogram ABCD. We are also given that angle B is a right angle. We are going to prove that this is a rectangle. Alright, I know since it's a parallelogram that A and B, these two angles, have to be supplementary. So consecutive angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. I know angle B is equal to 90 degrees because it's a right angle, so definition of a right angle. If I merge those two statements together and I replace B with 90 degrees, I can say that angle A plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees, so that's by substitution. Now, to get from this line to the next, I can subtract 90 on both sides to end up with A is 90 degrees, so that's the subtraction property of equality. Alright, I can do it again. I know that A and D together have to add up to 180 because consecutive angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. If I replace A with 90 degrees, I can say 90 plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. That's the substitution property. If I subtract 90 on both sides, I'm left with angle D is equal to 90 degrees. That's again the subtraction property of equality. I can do this again. These two angles are consecutive angles in a parallelogram, so we know that those two angles are supplementary. If I replace angle D with 90 degrees, I can say 90 plus angle C is equal to 180, and that's because of substitution. I can subtract 90 on both sides to get C alone, to get angle C is equal to 90 degrees. That's the subtraction property of equality. So we know that all of those guys are 90 degrees, so it's a rectangle because we have four 90-degree angles, 4 congruent angles.